Wait, that's not the garage key.
Hey guys, what's going on? Revline89 here. So today we got a couple things that we're doing with the Mustang. Boy, we got a couple things that we're taking out here. So we are putting some covers on, radiator extension covers. We got some strut brace screws that we want to put on. These, well, the funny thing is about these, they said they would fit the Mustang, but then when it came on the paper it says Acura, so it doesn't even say it's for a Mustang, so that's questionable if they will fit or not. We got some other stuff in here that we're going to be testing out, carrying out the camera so we can get better quality for you guys. So stay tuned guys, we're about to get started.
Wait, that's not the garage key.
Silly me. Now, why in my right mind would I do this? We're gonna stick a GoPro right inside the exhaust. Headphone users, please turn your volume down right now. So guys, we're first going to install the radiator extension. That is probably let's see, that might be the other side. So we're having a little bit of issues here, because that needs to go down the whole way. So we might have to just cut for the wire. All we gotta do is just cut up here. So let's go ahead and mark that off. Alright, so now we know where we're cutting. Alright, up next is now for the strut screws. This should be interesting. Acura, huh? They're cool looking. So, strut tower nut 14mm Honda Acura 2-piece. Let's see if you guys can see this. So, like I said, it's actually supposed to be designed. You know, it said on the listing for a Mustang for my year But yes, so if it screws on, oh guys, surprise, surprise, it's hugely too big. Wow. So they totally gypped us. But no need to fear, these red, ooh, we might be able to use these though. Put a little bit of a style under here. The red washers. Pretty cool looking. Let's see if they gave enough of them though. So we got 2, 4, 6, 6. Well, that doesn't help us much now, does it? I think it adds a little bit of flair under here. It matches the red air filter and red top battery.